we can't do 75 degrees directly. We get 75 by constructing 16 and 15. Then we construct 60 degree, then construct 15 degree. And 15 degree we can get by bisecting 30 degree. So let's get into the direction. We start by ruling a straight line, then get a reference point on that straight line. This is a reference point. I'm going to make 90 degree on this reference point. Why do I need 90 degree? Because it is from 90 degree that I can get my 30 degree that will bisect. Add, when I bisect the 30 and add the bisection of it to 60 degree, if I can arrive at 75 degree. So to get 90 degree, let's get the pair of compasses, adjust it to a convenient radius, place the steep point on the reference line, then with the pencil point make an arc. With the same radius, shift the steep point to this point. On to construct 60 right away. So with that, we cut this. Let me adjust that very well. The steep point should be here. I think I'm there right now. I will cut this, which give me 60 degree. Then I will also need to make 90 degree. And to make 90 degree, I will use this point and this point as my reference point. So let's adjust this. Okay. Adjust the protract the compass rather to a convenient radius and make an arc here. So we can get 90 degree. We can shift the steep point to this place. Cut that arc. Cut this arc already drawn. Now when the arc meets, we join it to produce 90 degree. I think I am there. Yeah. So if that is my 90 degree, remember from here to here is 60 degree. So if this like this is 90, and from here to here is 60. 60 minus 90 is 30, meaning from here to here is 30 degree. By the time we bisect this 30 degree, we have 15, 15. And 15 added to this 16, to this 60 rather, will give us 75 degree. So let's bisect this 30 degree. We place a steep point here. The steep point on this page. We'll make an arc. And clear the steep point here. Then cut the arc. Let's adjust the other one a little. Okay. Something close to that. Where the two arcs meet, we then join it to the reference point. So this angle all the way to this place is 75. Let's confirm it with protractor. First, it now be perfect. Now see already here, this line does not meet perfectly. And this is a digital whatever that we do not get accurate results by when using paper. As in this is 74 instead of 75. But you have idea of how to do it. Construct 60-degree, construct 90. Then when we remove this 60 from 90, the remaining one from this point to this point is 30. Then bisect the 30, which gives us 15, 50. This 15 added to 60 gives us 75 degree.